What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears. Today is day 3 of Endless Summer in Ocean City, Maryland. Beautiful day today. It was amazing. If you were not here, you definitely missed out. So, you guys all know how it works. I film all day, I do the editing all night, and I drop a video every morning during this event, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In each video, there's a chance for you to win some Bangin Gear stuff. On the first day, we gave away a fleece, and I'll put the link for that somewhere up here. Yesterday, we gave away a Bangin Gears baseball cap. I'll put the link for that up there as well. And today, we're going to be giving away another Bangin Gears baseball cap. For you to win, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, and that puts you in the running to win the hat for today. You can watch all the videos, like and comment on those videos as well, and put you in the running to win the other gear. Little hint, because we're giving away a hat today, on Sunday, on your ride home, I'll be giving away a fleece. So make sure you check that video out on your way home. Also, if you're interested, you can check out our Facebook group called the Bangin Gears Garage. It's a fully interactive with you. You guys can post your own photographs from events or car shows or whatever you have going on. If you have flyers you want to post, knock yourself out. Anything automotive, anything goes. All right? So check it out. Enjoy today's video, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.